Hey, welcome to MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. We are currently on a Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Brand new boat just shipped to us, and this one is loaded with a lot of cool features. Please take a look through some of the pictures to see an overview of the boat, the outside, but I really wanted to hit on some really cool parts of this boat that you don't typically see on a lot of boats. First off is the dive door here on the starboard side. This is great for accessing the boat from a dock without stepping onto a swim platform, and great for if you're tied up and rafting somewhere or sitting at the beach. Easy way to climb on and off the boat without going near the engines. Really nice feature that Boston Whaler incorporated into this 32-foot boat. In front of that, you'll see the prep area, and we've got a cooler, we've got some tackle drawers, a live well, a wine chiller or any other beverage filled with water, and our sink area. To the right on the port side is this really inventive seating arrangement that Boston Whaler has come up with. Right now we have it in full lounge mode. Underneath here is storage, and our dive door ladder stores underneath here perfectly latched in place, isn't going to move around. But this unique design with the trigger pull system really allows you to have a lot of different layouts. So the aft seat folds up nicely and out of the way in case you wanted to do some fishing off the back of the boat. And then Boston Whaler's trigger system allows you to just pull this right up. And there's a table here, so we can have 4 people sitting, eating right there. The other trigger pulls up with multiple positions that it locks into. And then this seat, you can either be eating here, or if you're underway, this will spin all the way around. And now we've got forward-facing seating. We actually have a height adjustment button right here to bring the seat up. So really inventive, unique design by Boston Whaler, so you can either be lounging or ready to go underway with very comfortable seating. Another unique feature is this being a dual console, is Boston Whaler really did a good job with both consoles. Here on the port side, we have a convertible berth. So if you were in New England up here, I'm on the shore of Connecticut. A lot of times we go to Block Island, Newport, and you meet up with some friends and want to stay overnight. That is very comfortable for 2 people. You can crash in there, stay overnight, or if you get into some bad weather, it's a nice place to seek some respite. And the smart thing that Whaler did was they've actually wrapped the side with the same materials as the cushion. So you're not just getting onto bare fiberglass. They actually wrapped that so it's comfortable to sleep in. And the bed portion itself, when not in use, easily gets tucked away on the side. And we've got deep storage, access to our forward bilge, and a nice walking path to get to some of the battery switches. Under the helm console is our head area. Nice that the door opens completely so you can still pass through. But we've got a teak platform above the head itself, because the sink, which is further back, actually turns into a faucet, so you could actually take a shower under there if you needed to. Plenty of storage underneath. Really nice outfitted head area on this 320 Vantage. Both of these consoles on the port and starboard side do have portholes opening for ventilation, so if you were going to do an overnight and you wanted fresh air, that window opens up. Same thing with the head. Typically you see it on the side of the console. Whaler did a beautiful job of incorporating some opening there. Up at the bow, we've got storage underneath the seats. Really nice large lounge seats, armrests, and there is an option to have a bow filler cushion and bow table, so if you wanted to turn this whole area into a sun pad, you can absolutely do so and make another, that's like 6 different lounging areas that you can have up here. We've got our anchor windlass up front with the option to add a boarding ladder at the bow with a freshwater washdown. So if you do want to go nose up onto the beach and dock that way, it's easy to grab a ladder, throw up, wash all the sand off your feet, and hop right back onto your lounge pad. So it's an amazing boat. We all know that Whalers are awesome in pretty much any type of weather that you could think of going out on, but this Boston Whaler Vantage just has some really nice recreational seating, a place to sleep overnight. It's a really do-it-all weekender boat. Come visit us at MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Take a look at this for yourself.